Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the file and selecting the logo shapes directly. Use selection V or direct selection A. Once selected, make sure any effects are expanded so you're working with pure vector paths. Go to Object Expand if needed. If the logo is grouped, ungroup it so fills are editable. Make sure there's a visible background or artboard color to preview inversion against. If not, create a temporary rectangle behind the artwork to judge contrast. Now invert the visible colors via the Appearance panel. Add a new fill above the original fills so you don't destroy the artwork. Convert the new fill to the inverse by applying a color operation. You can use Effect Photoshop effects, adjust color invert if available, or create a white fill and set the blend mode to difference to produce a negative. Once applied, adjust opacity or mask the effect to limit inversion to specific shapes. This preserves original fills beneath for easy revert. Finish by expanding the appearance to commit the inversion if you need a static result. Object Expand Appearance. Then tidy up strokes and compound paths. If strokes look inconsistent, convert them to outlines so the inverted fill behaves predictably. Make a backup copy before finalizing. Troubleshooting. If the effect route fails, rasterize a duplicate at high resolution, invert in Photoshop or via raster effects, then image trace back to vector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.